The Bayernhafen Freight and Logistics Centre in Nuremberg is a hive of activity, which puts the railway infrastructure here under extreme strain, especially the switches. Consequently, the Vossloh specialists are in action several times a year in Nuremberg to measure the switches and remove any defects. The Flexis switch processing system they use allows the equipment to be on-railed and off-railed quickly, and the team can work efficiently during track possessions upwards of 10 minutes. Regular grinding of the switching zones ensures a consistently high-quality standard and significant economic benefits for the infrastructure operator. We enjoy working with Vossloh and its excellent Flexis system. The Vossloh team do a great job, which keeps wear and tear and the replacement of large parts to a minimum. A curved crossing, for instance, is subjected to immense pressure. In the past, we had to replace the crossing frogs every 2 years. The last crossing frog was installed 5 years ago, and it's still intact even now, thanks to the annual maintenance carried out by Vossloh. Good switch maintenance pays dividends. Extend the service life of your switches with Vossloh's Flexis system.